Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to the Automation Mentor, where we turn complex workflows into simple clicks. Today, we're diving deep into Make and unlocking its advanced data manipulation capabilities. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, this tutorial will show you how we extract, transform, and process data. So what exactly is advanced data manipulation? It's all about taking raw data from one source, cleaning it up, restructuring it, and then sending it off to another system seamlessly. Think of it as being the translator between two systems that speak different languages. In this video, we'll cover three main topics: using the text parser and JSON modules to extract and transform data, working with arrays, objects, and iterators, and a real-world example of automating data processing between APIs. Our first tool is the text parser. This module lets you pull out specific pieces of information from unstructured text. Imagine you have an email containing customer details, but they're buried in paragraphs of text. The text parser can save the day. To use the text parser, simply create a new scenario, add the module, and define patterns using regular expressions, or regex, to locate the exact data points you need. Don't worry if regex sounds intimidating, there are plenty of online tools to help you build them easily. Next up, let's talk about JSON, the backbone of modern API communication. JSON stands for JavaScript Object Notation, and it's basically a way to organize data into key-value pairs. If you've ever worked with APIs, chances are you've encountered JSON responses. Make makes handling JSON super easy. You can map fields directly from incoming JSON payloads to outgoing ones without writing any code. For instance, if you receive a JSON response from one API, you can parse it, pick out the relevant keys, and send them to another app, all within your scenario. Now things get really interesting when working with arrays, objects, and iterators. These concepts allow you to handle multiple pieces of data at once. For example, say you fetch a list of orders from an e-commerce platform. Each order contains details like product name, quantity, and price. With iterators, you can loop through every order, extract the necessary info, and pass it along to your CRM or inventory management tool. Alright, let's put everything together with a real-world example. Your online store doesn't allow direct integrations, but you want to automate the process so that when you receive sales notifications via email, the buyer's profile is added to ActiveCampaign, and a tag is applied for each product they purchased. This automation aims to serve as an example of how data manipulation modules can be used, so we will not go into details about the settings. We will cover that in future videos. The first step is to connect to an email account using the Get Emails module. This module fetches messages that match specific criteria, such as a particular subject line, ensuring we only process relevant emails. Next, we use the parseText module to scan the email content using regular expression and extract key details like customer name, email, purchase date, and product information. The regular expression can be created using online tools like ChatGPT or regex101.com. The extracted customer details are then sent to ActiveCampaign using the Create Update Contact module. If the contact already exists, their information is updated. Otherwise, a new contact is created. To get additional purchase details, we make an API request using the Make a Request module. This retrieves order information, including the list of purchased products and their values. The API response is processed with the parse.json module, converting it into a structured format. This makes it easy to access key order details like total amount, product list, and quantities. In this example automation, we use the parse.json module, but you could also parse the response by clicking Parse Response in the Make a Request module itself. Each product from the order is processed separately using the iterator module. This ensures all purchased items are correctly managed in the automation. Finally, the products are used to tag the customer in ActiveCampaign with the Add Tag to Contact module. This helps categorize customers based on their purchase history. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope you feel more confident tackling advanced data manipulation in Make. Remember, practice makes perfect, so go ahead and experiment with these techniques in your own scenarios using a completely free Make account. I've dropped the link in the description for you. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on automation. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below, we'd love to hear from you.